Alright, today we're going to do a bit of a video on the Signmaster Mini Heat Press. So this is a great little piece of kit, ideal for crafters or workwear front left breast logos and things of that kind of size. We'll go through what it comes with in a second. Okay, so you get the heat press itself. And then obviously you get the box. So in the box is the heat press, and you've got a little spray bottle there. Some instructions. It's very simple to operate, which I'll talk about. And a little carry case bag, and there is a few samples in there. And then the base unit, which is 2 parts silicone and metal to obviously keep the hot unit off the surface that you're on. So to turn it on, it's very simple. If you press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds, you'll see there it's scanning through, and when it's flashing red, that means it's coming up to temperature. So there's 3 settings. There is low, which is 140, medium, which is 160 degrees, and high, which is 190. So we're going to test it on the low first, on one of the little samples that you get in the bag. So it's a little DTF sample, so I'm going to try it on the low temperature. So that took a couple of minutes to come up to temperature. It does beep when it comes up to temperature, and the light will stay green. So DTF, I'm going to hold it 140 degrees, as I've said, for about 10 seconds. I am applying some pressure to it to sort of mimic a t-shirt press. So we're just going to give it about 10 seconds on there. And then peel it off. And there we go. Nicely pressed on there. So I'm going to try it on some traditional heat transfer vinyl. So I'm going to crank it up to medium temperature, 160 degrees. So I've just pressed the button once to take it up to medium temperature, and then that's flashing red while it's coming up to it, while I prep the graphic. Okay, it's come up to temperature in the time that we've done that. So it is slightly larger than the heat press itself. So again, I'm applying pressure, but I'm going to move it around a little bit so I get the whole logo. And I'm going to hold it there for about 15 seconds or so, which is the specified time for the type of heat transfer vinyl that I use for this. I'm just going to hot peel that off, and there we go, all stamped on. So to turn it off, I'm just going to press and hold the power button again, and that's off. And obviously make sure to pop it back on its holder because it's still hot for a while. So this is the DTF sample, and then this is the traditional heat transfer. I'm just going to do a bit of a pit test on the corner. As you can see, it's nicely held down, not peeling at all. And there we go. Great piece of kit.